Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 80180002 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, what does this error code do? It prevents you from accessing the Wi-Fi, the VPN, email, and many other resources. And why does this happen? So the main reason is related to the MDM and MAM settings, which you should not touch. These are managed by the server, so it is for server computers, and you need to contact the IT department of your company and ask them to change it. So this is for systems which are managed by servers and administrators and by organizations. But what if you are using a home computer? In that case, press the Windows key and the R button together. Type the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. This will launch the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So click on OK and it will launch the hardware and devices troubleshooter, and then click on next and it will start detecting problems. In a while it may tell you what the problem is, and in most of the cases it will ask you to restart your computer or update drivers etc. for that, but you'll at least get to know which drivers have to be updated. And when it says scanning for hardware changes, it is similar to that scanning for hardware changes in the device manager, in which it detects any driver which was updated or uninstalled. Now it is asking me to restart my computer to update drivers. All I need to do is click on apply this fix and reboot my system. But I won't do it right now because a lot of applications are open. I'll do this after closing these applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.